Interested in visiting Counseling and Psychological Services, or CAPS for short, but don't know where to start? We're here to help. UCR offers free, confidential mental health services to students in need, including individual, couples and group therapy, same-day and in-person and phone consultations, referral, and case management, as well as a range of outreach and educational services. CAPS is located on the second floor of the Student Health and Counseling Center across from Dundee. Highlanders also have the option of meeting virtually or in person. To schedule an appointment, call 951-UCR-TALK or 951-827-5531, option 2, during normal business hours to speak with the front desk. For more information on CAPS, including hours, services, or crisis resources, visit counseling.ucr.edu or mentalhealth.ucr.edu.